Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Box. Do you want to speak English confidently at restaurants without fear or hesitation? Then this video is for you. In this dialogue, two friends meet at a restaurant and practice everyday English, from ordering food to talking about life and learning English. This conversation is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Watch till the end, repeat the sentences, and improve your English naturally. Let's begin.
Bilal, please sit properly. We are in a restaurant, not in your bedroom. Relax. My stomach is empty, not my manners. I want to practice English today. Please don't roast me. I'll try, but no promises. Why is this menu in English? I came here to eat, not to test my confidence. This is a restaurant, not an English exam hall. Everything sounds confusing. Grilled, roasted, fried. I just want food that won't judge me. Food never judges. People do. That was deep. Did English make you emotional? Last time I said, I am boring, instead of I am bored. Honestly, both were correct. Wow, English hurts more than hunger. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Or proof that I need a new brain. Okay, correct me. I want to eat chicken. Say, I want to eat chicken. Why does English add extra words? Is it insecure? Yes, very insecure. I want to eat chicken confidently. Now that's progress. Wow, this smells amazing. Focus. Describe it in English. Okay, this food smells very smellful. Congratulations, you invented a new word. One day, dictionaries will remember me. You know, speaking English is like going to the gym. Painful, confusing, and everyone looks better than you? Exactly. But I feel more confident today. That's because you're hungry. Hunger gives courage. I want to speak English fluently one day. You will. Just stop translating from Urdu in your head. That's hard. My brain opens Google Translate automatically. Uninstall it mentally. Okay, loading confidence, buffering. Honestly, you're improving. Really? Or are you just being kind? Both, but mostly improving. Good. Next time, I'll order food in English without fear. Big step. Next level, arguing in English. No problem. I am already angry in 2 languages.